Think about the last all-hands meeting you had at your shop. Marketing was probably a big topic, and you may have even heard words like video, podcasts, and social media. All common ideas, but there's one big thing these channels have in common that you might not think of: big data. Businesses like yours may be wondering what to do in order to invest and harness big data's power. But in reality, it's not as easy as buying software and seeing customers pull in because of it. The reality is a little different. Let's talk about why next. Big data isn't like plugging in a scan tool to the OBD port and instantly getting answers. It comes from massive, complex sources such as telematics systems, connected vehicles, customer service records, parts inventories, warranty claims, and even social media feedback. This information is scattered across different systems, which makes it harder to manage. And to really make use of it, you need more than just the technology. You need clean, reliable data, the right metrics, and a plan for how to analyze and act on it. Poor quality data will bust a hole through your marketing strategy. Duplicate accounts, outdated emails, and incorrect addresses lead to bad communication with customers. It may take some time, but regularly cleaning and maintaining data improves targeting and can have a direct impact on your shop's revenue. Having clean data isn't enough though. With so much information coming in, you have to ask the right questions. Do you want more new customers in your base, or do you want to retain the ones that you have? Do you want more website traffic, phone calls, or store visits? Think about each question, because the answers will point you to the key performance indicators that really matter for your business. Once you know what those metrics are, tracking them consistently is the only way to know if your marketing is working. If it isn't working, make changes. Another key to using data is segmenting and targeting your audience. First-party data, or data from your own customers, tells the real story of why they buy and when. It shows you what types of customers are already loyal, and it highlights where you have gaps to improve. By tailoring marketing to each segment, you can expand your reach without losing focus on your core customer base. One of the biggest challenges shops face is that their data is siloed. However, when it comes to consolidating data into a single source, it gives a clear view that leads to better decisions. Sometimes that means looking outside the industry for tools that can help. The automotive service industry is still in the early stages of harnessing big data effectively. Shops that take a strategic approach now will be the ones that turn data into a competitive advantage for years to come. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.